Can try and kill us?
Oh god. Got him.
No one likes blue teams. Blue teams suck.
We need to
He's
mine, bro.
dead.
We need to mine.
Bro, what?
Oh my god,
No, he falls.
I just did the stupidest thing.
Yo, I was war farming, not gonna lie.
Hit each other.
Wait, oh shit, I'm so
Well, I'm going hot.
I wasn't
Ooh, I almost fell again.
I got shot by like 5 shotguns, I think.
That's somehow way to kill.
Oh,
Okay, I'm
shit.
I got one of the crystals.
You're dead, dude.
The world's body soon. I'll blow up it to smithereens. I'll spend my tiny symphony. And you are now dead, sir. Ow! You gotta be on my ass.
Mine. What are we doing?
Hey, White,
Oh god.
White, behind you. White.
Woo! I feel good.
Try to not die by me.
Red team, hurry
I
up.
feel good.
White.
Go get him!
No, don't. White, I'm not here to hurt you.
How did we lose? We didn't lose. How did we lose? What do you mean? How do we lose?
Three crystals in front
How
of
did
this
we
guy.
lose? For you.
Oh my, because I mined.
Because look at the team.
Hello.
I kind of carried my team. Not gonna lie.
We literally broke
Because
the
your
last
team left.
crystal.
Ready?
Because the team
How
got
Ready?
27, 27.
Someone on
Everybody
red
gets
team has to
murdered.
join our team.
Everybody, you're a murderer. He's a murderer. He murdered
Someone on
me.
red team has to join ours.
Okay, I'll join.
Are you really joining the winning team?
Yeah.
No, bro.
that's
They're not the winning team.
Yeah,
we
no
won
one
2 times, bro. They won like 1
Okay,
time.
we're good. We're
No
good.
toxicity implied, but
Dude,
Yes.
I got one
Guys, let's go for mining.
One kill for death.
I got blasted from my. I got blacklisted from my local pizza place. Okay. Pizza Express. Oh, get out of my game. Okay, that was rude. Damn, these two just push.
I'm defending our crystal stuff.
Feel my mighty revolvers.
Dude,
Defend our crystals, and attack those.
My revolvers are
Let's
crap,
go.
dog. Put your hands up. I don't want to see you break.
Why are you just
Get him,
staying
jump him.
there?
Okay, that was a. He's like a sentry. He's like a sentry, bro. He doesn't move, dog. No breaking crystals by a bit. I don't know. Got one. Okay, that's it. I'm pushing, dog.
That is kind of annoying. I hate having you guys, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Oh, B, that was the reason why you're winning. Go.
I went in there and I could.
Guys, one more left.
Oh, B, that was the last mistake. I promise, okay?
Oh my goodness, guys, what he's doing? What he's doing? Oh my goodness, teammates.
Yo.
Teammates. Guys.
Yeah, teammate. I can. Teammate.
Oh
He'll be
Whoever
dying.
was that you
Blue
clutched up?
team, there was 2 crystals left.
Why'd you just
Yeah,
not
I was
pretend?
mining
Because the
one.
teams
I was
are always
mining one.
unfair, bro. Teams are always
These two,
unfair.
these two always
Everyone's
lost,
on
and
Just
that
give
guy
me
lost.
that, buddy.
Bro, you
That's
could.
it, bro. I'm
Just
going
saying,
to
no
team.
Y'all
toxicity.
just look at
no
the teams.
toxicity implied.
Y'all think this is fair?
Yeah,
Y'all
but-
think this is fair for y'all? Cause y'all got more people.
There's
Bro,
only,
looking for
there's
souls.
Y'all got
equal.
more
Last
people, and y'all
time-
just probably
last
thinking this
time
is
it's
all
equal,
like
You're
but
only,
bro, you
it's
see me
only
there.
one, bro, it's only one extra person, and that's it.
Yeah.
only one extra
It's not a
person.
big
That
deal.
can still make it. That's still an advantage.
He's not cracked
No,
himself.
Yeah, I'm really not cracked. I tried my best, but I got spawn camped.
Alright, I can join you. Don't join you. Oh hell no. Let's
You full
go.
on go 360 to our base.
Go
Push
kill
every
her.
single time.
Just like I'm cooking
Y'all
in my
cook.
fucking
Exactly,
room.
exactly. I'm done, bug. I'm a lock in. No.
Swear to God, if this is the same. Sammy said lobby. Feel the body rush for red team, bro. Hey, I'm
Okay,
defending the gems. I'm defending the gems.
Okay, I'll defend with you. I'll defend with you.
Thanks, I'm right here. Hey, we're getting extra points here.
Careful. Red.
Careful.
Got him.
Yeah, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
I sniped him.
Nice. Nice snipe.
Why are you reporting? That's false reporting. I have this on video. By the way, I'm recording this. I have a purple
recording
camera
it
right
too.
here.
Dude, I'm actually recording
this.
this.
I'm
I'm
recording
recording this video right now. I'm recording this video
He's
right
false
now.
reporting us for no reason.
I like you so. I thought you couldn't leave it. Did I like just add that or something?
Right chance for someone to come.
I'm back.
Yeah.
Pushing,
Nice.
I think.
Yeah,
They're
let's
mainly
push.
gonna go
Let's
for
push.
a right and left.
Guys, let's go.
Yeah,
Few more left.
Never straightforward.
They only have a few more left. We can rush right now.
Welcome. Welcome. They're coming. They're infiltrating.
Distraction on.
Yes. Yes. You
That's-
so
I already knew we were
good.
gonna
Boy.
like,
We won.
How did I get? Oh, how did I get 8 kills? But I just joined. I did not get 8 kills. I literally just joined and I got 8 kills.
You got 0, pal.
Wait a minute, I joined in the. Wait, is this the same server? Is this the same server?
Not you.
Catch me, catch me, catch me.
Ooh, what is that?
Oh, my headset.
Shut up! Oh yeah, he has the camera mod.
Yeah.
He has the camera mod. Yeah.
He hacking, kid.
I have
He's
this
not
on recording.
hacking. You're gonna start recording.
up.
Wait, what video?
Y'all
What
are
you trying to go for?
stupid. Y'all are stupid. You are stupid. Everybody is so stupid.
I have this on recording.
I'm glad you can win.
But I thought we were teams.
How do you beat me?
We're dead. We're dead. We're
I'll
dead.
take it when you're
Rock up. Rock up. Jeffrey down.
I got
I got shot by a revolver. And you're cooked. You're cooked. What do you mean I'm cooked? It was a 2v1.
Facing the wall and I was standing.
Nice job, Red.
I'm one-shotting them.
Dang. Got you. Got him with my bare claws.
You did not get me that?
I did get you, but okay.
Right back to base.
Controller, Jimmy.
No. Nice.
I wasn't saying that.
Yeah, you're cooked.
Nice. How are you not killing this guy? This guy is so easy to kill.
Dude, I'm bad at the game. Okay, I just started.
Okay, that's it.
That's just
You use shotguns, Paso.
No attack.
You must not know me.
I'm getting spawn camped, y'all. Y'all, I'm getting spawn camped. It's a little bit unfair.
He dead.
You guys are base camping, so.
We're done.
We only have one left, bro.
Protect it with a lion.
They all push.
No, we're all dead.
They
We're all
all
dead. We're
pushed.
dead.
We're
You're dead.
Once again, I probably carried my team. I don't.
Then you all have an advantage.
No, we don't. It's a 1-player difference, bro. Calm down. It's a 1-player difference.
That's what I
got you,
said.
bro.
I got
you,
It's
bro.
literally
I
a
got you.
1-player difference, bro. Okay, now you have a 1-player difference. It's not that bad, bro. And we're still gonna win.
You don't cheating. You have
Okay, we don't need to flex about skills, but okay.
Oh, it's about rate my judge, bro. Rate my judge.
15 kills in a public 5v5
But
game.
why does it say I have
Team Blue
100?
fire.
Oh, sacrilege.
Because you have
Dude, I'm a
100
team
money.
blue, bro.
What do you mean?
I'm a
Why
team
does it say
blue.
I have
So
100?
But I have a million.
Technically,
in
it's even now.
Yeah, because in
It's
adventure
even.
mode, you have your regular money. But in here, you only have 100.
You do not only have 100 in here, Doug. Yes, you do. You get it from Jeff or something. I don't know.
Yeah, what is this? Fun for these guys.
I'm trying my best to defend the crystals. Someone's coming. A couple are coming.
Isn't it obvious they're coming? It's quite obvious.
I'm dead. It's okay. It's okay, guys. I'm all dead.
I'm dead. It's my fault.
Number one thing I've learned is never.
3 kills. I got 3 kills right now.
And I just died.
Number one lesson I've learned: never run away from a fight.
Never run away from a fight. You're dead.
Base.
It's my
You're dead, bro.
It's power. It's about straight me out of that. Putting the work, putting the hours. I'm dead.
Hey Jarvis, blow up his house. Hey Jarvis, blow up his house.
Dead.
Aimbot 3.0. One hand.
You're dead.
Bro, I killed him though.
Bye-bye. Nice.
Hi. GG. GG's. Oh my god.
Who's spawn camping?
What is spawn camping, bro?
That makes sense.
Yeah, it does. Because people are.
God, they just get 2,000 bombs, dude. Are you serious? Are you really spawn camping?
Stupid.
You're really spawn camping, dog. I know you ain't. I know you ain't spawn camping. Got him.
Fish?
You're not getting it because I'm not.
I tried to do the one hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Face camping so hard.
Bye.
Face camping I've ever seen fun.
I'm not base camping! I'm mining your crystals. That's what
I'm not talking about you, bro.
Oh. The other guy?
Yo,
No, the cyan on your team, bro. He went in our base like 3 times.
Wait, was he like sitting there waiting? Post
Yeah,
man.
this guy.
Haha.
What team?
Honestly, I'll take my lose like a man.
Wait.
but
You said
in-
what?
But button,
You suck. Like you couldn't get my RPG. You suck.
I'll take my lose like a
Can you
man.
stop, bro? It's kind of annoying.
Can you shut up, bro?
Hey,
Kinda.
don't say that. I
You
have
keep
this on
saying it.
recording.
Making me mad. Shut up.
I have this on
Be
recording, by the way.
quiet. Be quiet, little bro.
How do
Be
you
quiet,
get
little
Just
bro.
camera?
like your
I literally have
girlfriend
this
when
on
y'all broke
recording.
up.
Okay.
What are you
Be
trying to
quiet,
get
little
That
bro.
was not necessary.
I'm on your team,
Why do I
by
have
the way.
100?
No, I don't.
That was
Why
not
in the world do I
necessary
have
to say
100,
that.
bro? This is
but
just
okay.
mean.
Get ready, guys. Fortnite
Aimbot 3.0.
Fortnite is Animal Company. It's
I'm
crazy.
dead. I'm dead.
Oh, crap. I'm clapped.
Hey,
Same,
hey,
we're all
Oh, hell
out.
no.
Bro, it's just Fortnite and Animal Company.
Nah, bro, chill.
I'm using shotguns for close range.
And I'm dead. I'm going to a different lobby after this.
This is just pure toxicity. This is just me.
I have the high ground now.
How is this toxic?
Toxicity. Nobody said anything. How is this toxic?
Aha, I have the high ground now, Anakin.
His internet.
Boom.
Oh my god, Black is
Boom.
Yeah, Black
Oh, crap. That's the base camper. Oh, he just got clapped.
hey.
I got.
Fucking kill.
Hey, you didn't
I
kill me.
have.
That's why I know enough.
I got cheese on ice.
Okay, bro, I shot you.
Okay.
I got cheese on ice, dog. Okay, I don't know why I said that.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, the pistols are a good way to go.
It's over because they have more people. I think they have like 2 more people than ours.
They probably have 2 more people than us.
Get away from us.
Guys, this is embarrassing. We're losing. They have one less player than
No,
us, and we're losing, dog. I got cheese on rice. I got cheese on rice, mate. Okay, that's it. I wanna aim.
Coming to the base from the right side.
Full arsenal! Send your pistols out! Charge!
Right now, what is happening? I'm so confused.
Your mom's happy. Okay, that's
Yeah, pistols.
just stab me. Just stab me already. Bite me.
Oh! Okay, family friendly.
That gave me a heart attack.
Why are you still in the family friendly?
And you're dead. You're dead, buddy. You're dead.
No need for toxicity. We got Cyan here, the base camper. How did that
You're
Y'all
dead.
would've missed.
We're
No,
cooked.
that's a hit him.
I use shotguns when they're at our base. Because they're close range. Aimbotted. I just don't get absolutely aimbotted. Okay. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Got it up.
There.
Peekaboo.
Almost killed him.
Just keep shooting. You're so close to doing this.
Where's the last crystal? It's invisible.